What's up, guys? We are bros.
We are bananas.
We are the Bronanas. Jim, Bob, and Red continue playing, well, not really continue, but we're just gonna play a game that we haven't played in a very long time, and that is Risk of Rain.
Hi, I'm here.
Yeah, Red's here. For some reason, his name is blue. It's like in the color blue.
Oh, well, on my screen.
Yeah, alright. Cool.
So it's just like your name would be Red.
Yeah. Anyway, so Red, let's stick together. Come with me.
I like
You're
your
so
hat.
much shorter than me.
That's because you have like this big hat on.
I know, but like you're wearing like hunky armor and stuff, and I'm still more like hunky. I'm a cowboy. Oh, it's down here.
I die. I'm going to fight these.
Wait, no, come down here.
Give me.
Oh, Red, don't die on me. I need to.
Oh no, it's the jellyfish.
Oh no, not them again.
Dude, literally, I'm about to die.
All right, I'm coming. How are you already dying? We've only been playing for a minute.
It's because I'm facing like 4 enemies.
Okay, I got this.
And because you're using a better guy than me.
Yeah.
How do you roll?
It's that. So, let's go find the portal. Find out where that is.
What are you doing? You're floating in air.
Right.
Oh, okay, no. Now
Okay,
you're...
no.
Alright, I'm coming.
Alright, come with me, Blue.
Come with me now. Come with me now. I'm gonna show you how.
No, don't sing that song.
It's a good song.
Yeah, it actually is. Alright, let's go. Jellyfish!
Jellyfish! That guy is so much better than the guy that I'm playing with as.
I know, when you just start spamming stuff, when you get a ton of items, then it's kind of amazing.
Gets pretty chaotic,
Mm-hmm.
God, voice crack. Gets pretty chaotic.
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 Ooh, I'm gonna open this chest. Hopefully it's Jim Bob.
Do you have enough? No, you don't get drones out of chests.
It's a red whip. Oh, dude, I am so fast.
Oh, sweet, yeah. That's what it does.
Dude, look at me. I'm like,
Sweet.
look at me. Look how fast I am. I am the Flash.
Wait for me.
No. I'm on fire. Oh, God, there's a blue. Blue is bad.
I thought red would be the color of evil.
What?
I thought red would be the color of evil.
I don't know what you're talking about. I am not the color of evil.
Or are you? Okay, oh wait, I have enough money for it. I'll be right back. I need to go get, I'm getting one of those items back there.
God, I am so fast.
I know. Stop bragging about it.
I don't know half of these things, dude.
Oh, sweet. You just gotta use, how do I use this?
Alright. Jimmy.
Yeah,
Hello.
I'm here.
Alright, let's find that.
Yeah.
There's like...
Wait, 1 sec.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. How do I use my missile launcher?
you have a missile launcher.
Yeah, I got a missile launcher.
Of course you do.
Wait, I need to check. Controls. Ability 4. Use item G. Okay, I had a feeling that was it.
Like, one of my main problems
Whoa, that's sick.
with the game was how, like, slow you move.
Yeah.
But now that I have this item, I'm like,
Yeah,
oh, God.
alright, wait for me.
I'm getting teamed up on. Oh,
Yeah.
God, there are, like, 6 enemies.
Wait for me.
Oh!
Okay, you're very loud.
I'm sorry.
Oh wait, not anymore. I turned the sound down. Now it's...
Okay, there are like a million enemies trying to attack.
Oh my god. I'm dying too. Get up here and you can heal. They can't climb. They don't know how to climb, Red. Just keep... They jumped up. Don't worry, I can save you. I can save you.
I have a jetpack.
You got a jetpack? Nice. I got you. Missiles!
Oh wow, that did the trick.
Yeah, that helped a lot.
How do I use my jetpack?
Is it a use item?
Oh, dude!
Oh, what? That is sick! Oh, that's awesome.
That's pretty awesome.
So you can just jump like that?
I just jump and that happens. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's a lot better with multiple people.
Yeah, it was so hard before.
I know. I so need some Steam money so I can just gift games to people. I just want to buy Left 4 Dead for you and a few other people, and we can do like 4-player Left 4 Dead. It'll be so much fun. It's only $5, and the offer ends the day after my birthday, so it'll be awesome.
Wish me a happy birthday, people.
Yay! Don't worry, we're gonna be making stuff on my birthday, so don't have to wish me. Don't have to wish me one yet, cause it's not my birthday yet. Will be in 2 days. Yay! Oh shoot! Wait, are you okay? Do you need help?
What? Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. You look like you need help. You're shooting stuff.
I'm just over here.
All right.
I'm not getting any rewards from the stupid statue. Hey, I got one.
You got something. Oh my god, there's like
Dude, I got a fungus.
Nice.
Thing.
If you get like
I heal really quickly.
Oh, that's awesome, dude.
Dude, look how quickly I'm healing.
Yeah, I know. That's what it does.
I have some really good items right now.
I know. I have some okay items. My missile launcher is really helping. But like if you get a certain number, like combination of like all these kind of food themed items, if you get them all, then you get the chef.
I love the chef.
The chef. Oh my god, I love the chef. I should have played as the chef. But the bandit's my favorite character so far. Really want to get the huntress as well.
Wait, I thought you were going to be the dubstep.
Oh, dubstep cannon guy. Oh yeah, I'll be him next if we die.
Is that even a question if we'll die?
Oh, I don't know. We got 2 people, and I'm not that bad at this game.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're pretty good at this game,
Yeah.
I have to say.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't even have to use that rope. You wanna know why?
Because you've got the jetpack. I've never, like, most of those items, I've never gotten them before.
I have like the 3 coolest items right now.
I know.
I heal super quickly, I'm super fast, and I have a jetpack. I'm really OP right now.
Mm-hmm.
And then what do you have?
I have these boots that make me, like...
You have some pretty good items, too.
And a shield. And a missile launcher.
Yeah, the missile launcher is probably your best item.
Definitely.
God.
Okay, I have no idea where that portal is.
Okay, I'm just being really OP right now and like killing everything.
Yeah.
And guess what?
What?
Back.
Come to me, Red.
Why?
Because we're looking for the portal.
Okay, where are you?
I'm to the left of the screen. I'm just waiting for you.
You're where?
Just come to the left.
Oh, alright, I see your bubble thing.
Bubble thing.
I forgot. I was like, man, how am I going to get to the other side of this? And I was like, alright.
You know, Hunter,
Yeah.
this game, whenever I play it,
Wait, who's Hunter?
Red, whatever, same thing. Whenever I play it, all I can think about is Banana Man.
Yeah, same.
Good times.
These guys are still jumping. These guys are like stuck on the jump thing.
They do that sometimes.
There's like, It's not working.
Ooh, wow, it barely missed that jump. Oh, dude, there's a thing up here. If you, you need it. If you want to unlock the chef. So come up here. I'll just be waiting for you.
I don't know where here is.
It's to the left and up. Look at the little bubble thing.
I don't see your bubble thing.
Okay, that's kind of weird. Should be like in the top left.
And this guy is invincible right now. And he doesn't know I'm here. Like, he doesn't... Oh, God. Alright. Jetpack away. Jetpack. Jetpack.
Oh,
This
yeah.
jetpack is so helpful to me right
I
now.
know, jetpacks are awesome.
Yeah, jetpacks are pretty amazing. Alright, I'm close to you because random experience is going to me. Oh, I almost fell right there.
Yeah, I saw that experience just going to... Hey, there you are. Oh, that was awesome with the jetpack. Yeah, get this, see this root thing right here?
I don't need to use that rope, by the way. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
See the root, like, right here? This one? That I'm right next to?
There's so many guys, so many guys, so many guys, so many guys.
I know,
so
we've
many
been here
guys.
too long. Here, get this thing right here. This one.
What?
The root, or whatever it's called. Press A.
I bought it.
Yeah, the bitter root. That's what you want. Let's make offerings to this guy. Because why not?
Unlocked, fail a shrine.
Oh, dude, pick up this thing as well. Rotten brain.
Rotten
Throw a
brain.
bouncing brain. Just press G to use it.
Okay. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
you're getting all the
want-
good items.
Yeah.
I just want you to unlock the chef.
Yeah. That's my signature character.
He is. Magma worm!
What?
Oh god! Oh no! Alright, come up here to one of these little platform things. You can't get us very easily when we're over here. Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Red, are you okay?
Well, for now, yeah, I'm just trying to kill these guys Wow, his health is going down like...
Yeah, because I'm destroying him. Like a boss.
Like a mouse. The only problem I have with these rock guys killing them is that...
Oh my god, now there's two bosses.
Yep, I just got hit by a magma worm.
Oh my god, the Colossus is also up here.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding.
Dude, I'm getting attacked by a magma worm.
Alright, I killed the Colossus. I picked up another missile launcher. Except this one I don't actually have to, like, press G to use. It's just
Did you
passive.
kill the magma worm? Because I just did.
You killed Magma Worm? What'd you pick up from him?
Killed him, I haven't picked him.
I
I
know.
got an achievement.
Yay, good job for you.
I got a thing that said, like, I don't know if I unlocked a new character or anything. But I don't know, something happened. Alright. Well, there's this giant, like, pot. Oh god, I am about to die.
Alright, I found the teleporter. We gotta stay alive again.
There's another magma worm.
I know. Oh, and there's jellyfish everywhere.
I'm about to die, by the way.
Alright, find like a place where you're just kind of safe, where you can heal.
Well, there's a magma worm right here, trying to kill.
I can come to save you.
Literally everything is attacking me. There are a million.
There's a crap ton of
enemies around me
jellyfish
right
attacking me.
now.
Oh! Magma worm.
He's near you now.
Yeah.
This, like, green piece of poop is trying to kill me. I died.
You died. Oh, shoot. Ah, field sticks.
Oh,
Ah,
feel
crap.
stinks.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah,
I
that
can play this
magma
game
worm
in
just kind
forever.
of like murdered you. Well then, you got fungus.
Yeah, I killed
Oh,
the
you got
magma worm.
You got the same thing as I did.
I'm just destroying everything.
You left me all alone.
I'm sorry,
There's
I was
this-
trying to come to
There
you,
was
but
this
I was...
one guy that I couldn't reach. He was just like slowly eating away at my health. I'm like, I'm trying to fight a worm that's on fire. And he was just like, You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
It was crazy. Do your items stay with you?
Yeah. Alright, gotta kill the rest of these enemies.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Like just for the round
Yeah.
only? So they don't stay with you forever?
Yeah.
That stinks.
Oh no.
If they stayed with you forever, that'd be pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I loved that jetpack.
Red. It's you.
What?
It's you.
Yep.
So sorry. Is there a way I can, like, revive you or something?
Wait, what? Hello. Why is my jetpack still working?
Your jetpack? Oh, yeah, I see it. Why is that still working?
I don't know, but I can jump.
I'm sorry, Red.
My
I'm
jetpack is just like...
I'm sorry I couldn't save you. I don't know, maybe you'll show up again? I've never really played with multiple people.
I don't know, hopefully. That'd be awesome if I
Yep.
could.
If you could. I mean, that's very unlikely.
It's very...
Alright. Red, you're not... You're back!
I'm back!
Yes!
I will never leave your
Oh
sight.
my god. Alright, stay by my
Literally, I'm
side.
never going to leave your sight.
Stay with me.
Stay with me now. Stay with me now.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Thank God. I thought I'd
Thank
lost
goodness.
you. Oh, the portal's right up there.
Oh, well then.
That was easy.
I will leave. I am going to purchase. I don't have enough.
Alright. Is there anything up here?
What?
Okay. Ancient Wisp. Oh, this guy.
And what are these green...
I don't know, but we gotta kill the Ancient Wisp.
Well, there's the green poops trying to attack me.
Yeah, no, green poops are pretty annoying.
Yeah, they hate green poops.
Uh-huh.
Oh god, I'm getting attacked by jellyfish.
Oh, shoot. If you die, that's okay.
I think I'm about to die? Because there's this giant, annoying wisp thing that's flying towards me, but guess what?
What?
I have a jetpack. Okay, I'm just going to stay here. I'm literally just like on a roof while you kill everything. Except for the jellyfish. They can find me.
Oh, I killed him.
Dude, I'm slowly dying.
Me too.
No, I'm about to die, literally. Jetpack, I love you!
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
God. Green poops! Green poops!
Life savings up.
These jellyfish are being annoying. Okay, I can actually...
Oh, that's like...
I got a goat hoof. Now I run like 3 times as fast.
Nice
oh
job.
my god, dude, I am like the Flash right now.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I
Uh,
just fell through a thing.
so
I fell through darkness. What? Dude,
Oh, I
I'm
think-
so fast right now.
yeah, nice job. That's awesome. The portal's open. Go on, we can go.
I can't. I
But
can't.
there's still 20 enemies left, so we kind of gotta kill those. Could use your help up here.
Yeah, well, I can't get there, so.
Okay, well, crap. Oh, you fell down there?
Yeah.
To the artifact place?
I don't know. Well, I'm back up. Dude, look. I am so fast. I'm coming to you. Did you just fall down to the artifact place?
Well, no, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I got a rusty jetpack.
Dude,
Wait, how many...
watch.
not-
Look at me. Look at my character.
Yeah. Holy crap.
I am so fast right now. Alright, me.
There's so many guys up here.
I can.
Yeah.
I need you,
Hey,
bro.
buddies.
Back to me.
How you doing? Ah, green poops almost hit me.
It's pretty good. I haven't upgraded at all.
You stupid rock.
I would give it.
I am the best at
Alright.
insults.
8 enemies left.
God, I have so many good like items right now.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't mean to brag, but yeah.
I have some pretty good ones too. Oh my god, the white ones, the white poops, they're annoying too. Oh!
I just killed all 3 of the white poops.
I know, because I have an artifact that makes it so that enemies explode with a bunch of, like, bombs. So you
Yeah,
kill
those
one,
keep,
and then
like,
the bombs
hitting me.
fly everywhere.
Those keep hitting me.
Basically, like, extra.
Alright, go this way. My arrow is telling me to go this way.
Guys, isn't this jetpack the freaking coolest?
Yeah, that is awesome. I've never gotten
I
that
can
before.
fly over there.
Ugh!
You couldn't make it, could you?
Wait for me. No, I can jump. I can jump. Okay. Boom. Blah.
Your jetpack is horrible.
I know, it just gives you extra jump. It doesn't, like, make you fly. It just makes you jump higher. Alright, there is one enemy left, and he's up here. I hope it's not another giant green poop.
It is.
It is another giant green poop. Okay.
How do we get there?
Up this one.
I would like to know.
Hey, I have to do 32 on this
Alright,
character.
I got him.
I killed him.
If
Careful of the bombs. Alright, to the portal!
Okay.
you can get the gun.
Look at these things. Am I flying right now?
I can't tell.
There's like stuff.
Yep,
You
I'm
know?
just waiting for you at the portal. Over
Can't get
here.
enough of the stuff.
Okay, sold the boots.
Yeah. Ding ding.
Can't
Underwater
get enough of the
catacombs.
stuff. Can't get enough of that stuff.
Alright.
I can't purchase.
Up here.
I'm just kidding. God, these guys are really fast.
Oh yeah, these little mini dudes.
Yeah, they're faster than me.
I know, they're
And that's
annoying.
pretty surprising because I'm like the Flash. These guys are like the Reverse Flash.
Wouldn't that make them slower though?
What? No, the Reverse Flash is faster.
Oh.
Or at least according to the new show.
Okay then.
Like, in the new show, like the Reverse Flash is faster, but he can only go fast for like an amount of time. He
Okay.
can't like keep
Right.
going as fast as much as he wants.
Get ready, we
Is that-
gotta battle Colossus.
What?
We gotta battle Colossus.
Okay.
Where is he?
I thought you were talking about Destiny. I was like, oh no.
Oh no,
God,
I'm
this
not,
guy can teleport.
not talking about chance playing Destiny. Oh, there he is! There he
I am-
is! Look at that.
I can't.
It's a
I'm about
colossal
to die.
titan.
This guy's like teleporting ninja thing face, and now there's a crab, an orange crab.
I know, but
That
there's, dude, Colossal Titan's right over here.
I'm going to die.
And he's surprisingly easy to kill.
Dude, I'm going to die. I'm going to die.
Man, if Aaron had a rocket launcher, that sure would have made that show a lot shorter.
Yeah. Jokes.
Jokes.
Dude,
Would have had a
help
much
me.
easier time if he had a rocket launcher.
Uh,
Oh, great, there's another Colossus. Oh my goodness. Alright, wait, I'm gonna use my missile launcher in a sec. Just stay up here. 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, that kinda helped.
kind of helped.
Ah, I'm dead! I'm dead! Oh, we're all screwed now. Oh, crap. What are you gonna do now?
Run.
Oh my god. It just told me consider lowering the difficulty. We're on the lowest difficulty. How am I gonna... Oh my god. How are you gonna do this? Quick, get to the portal. The portal. Oh no, wait, you have to kill all the rest of the enemies. And Colossus. Wherever the crap Colossus is. Open the chest over there. Open the chest.
there's no chest.
To the left. It's like right near the portal.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bundle of fireworks.
Oh, try using your bouncing brain.
I did. It didn't do crap.
You die.
Maybe.
Yeah. All right. Well, that was 25 minutes. It was pretty good. We lasted a pretty long time. Do you want to go for another round?
Wait a second. Hey, I unlocked a guy.
Oh, you unlocked a guy. Yeah, play as him.
Okay.
All right, let's do this one more time. I'm gonna play as Mr. Dubstep Cannon Man. All right, you ready? Hit ready. All right.
Yep. Who
Let's
is
go.
this guy?
The Enforcer. He's a shotgun.
Oh!
And I am Dubstep Cannon Man, and he's purple, so he's awesome.
Oh, his second is shield, right?
Yeah.
What's his V?
I don't know. Check it out.
Yeah, except it's solar.
His V is a missile.
Yeah. I love the engineer. This is the guy I'm playing as. He can put out sentry turrets. Sentry. Well.
Alright, his missile is way too OP.
Alright.
I want all my
Where-
stuff back.
Where shall we go?
I was so cool before, now I'm so slow and I can't fly.
I know how you feel. I hate that feeling. You have like a ton of stuff and then you restart and you're just like,
There's like,
I don't know.
no.
I don't know how.
Yeah, this is what happened when I defeated the magma worm. I unlocked this guy. I was like, hey, like a thing happened. I don't know if I unlocked
Yeah,
it.
if you defeat like a bunch of bosses, you unlock the Enforcer.
Mr. Purple Thing, don't you dare walk away from me. God, his missile is like so OP.
Hey, did you know this game? I think it was published. This game was published by Chucklefish.
Seriously?
Yeah. That's why I got it, because I saw it on the Chucklefish website and I was just like, oh.
Dude, his missile also stuns them.
Oh, that's sick.
This guy's pretty.
I haven't used the Enforcer very much.
His shotgun's a little slow, but it does a bunch of damage.
Yeah.
How can you make it that far?
I just
Oh.
jump.
Okay. I knew that. I was just testing to see if you knew that. Bruh. No, let me get that. Let me get that.
I'm getting that. Alright, fine, you can get that. I'm getting the bigger chest.
No, I want the bigger chest.
Well, too late. I just got a teddy bear out of it.
It's like completely red.
I got a
Okay.
teddy bear.
Let me get my chest,
Bruh.
bruh.
Go grab that chest.
I got sunglasses.
Glasses. Oh,
Chance-
yeah. Chance to do double damage.
Yeah, that's better than a teddy bear.
My teddy bear reduces incoming damage.
I like mine better.
So it's basically
I like,
armor.
I'd rather
Putting up a sentry.
Boom, boy, 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 boy. I'm going down
Boy.
campus.
Okay. Hopefully I don't fall through the... Dude, I didn't fall through the ground over here.
You did or didn't?
I didn't.
So are you using,
Yay!
Woo!
Last time, Jimmy fell through the floor.
I got the red whip.
No!
It's my turn now.
You. I love that thing. Well, I want to get the goat hoof.
By the power of dubstep. Bow. This guy just looks like he has like
No!
big bass cannons.
No!
What?
I can't reach the chest.
Oh, I know, it's impossible to reach that thing. I have no idea how you get to it. I think you need like a jetpack or something.
No! I was like, ah! You missed the chest.
I know, I can't get to it either.
Ah. God, I missed my missile. Well, I guess that's why they call it missile.
Ha. Ha. Hey, I found the portal.
Alright. When I played it, I couldn't find the portal. Like, I was like, so, is there even a portal?
Wandering Vagrant. Oh, it's a giant jellyfish.
No. What?
I'm putting up 2 sentries. Sentries,
Yeah, I'm
go.
busy down here dying. So.
Activating sentries. Landmines. I'm setting up a bunch of mines. Alright. Airstrike. Okay, the engineer is awesome. I should use him more often.
Why aren't I jumping?
Level up.
Wait, dude, I can't jump.
Really? That's weird.
I can't
Oh,
jump.
sick. I
I
killed
can't
the
jump.
wandering vagrant, dude.
No, literally, I can't jump.
Press space.
Space just puts me down. Like, space just makes me go into, like... Why? I can't jump.
What the heck?
Hello?
Is it because you have your shield out?
I might...
Yeah, see, you can't have your shield out and jump.
Well, how do I get my shield back in?
Just press the shield button again.
Yeah, I still can't.
Just press all the buttons you can. Like, see, like, you're not walking back and forth. You still have the shield. Yeah, there. Alright, you're good now.
I have no idea what happened there.
Your shield happened there. Whoa.
Oh. Scrub. Get wrecked.
Yeah.
Scrub.
Scrub.
Dude, there are a bunch of enemies down here.
Yeah.
No, like that. Come with me.
Wait,
now.
no, I need to set up my sentry turrets. I'm about to do something cool.
Come with me now. Hey, come with me now. I'm gonna show you how.
Shoot, get the imps!
I did.
No, there's more! Imps!
Why do I need to get the imps?
Because, item, mine. I got shark tooth. Oh, wait, no, I missed it. Shark tooth, give me, no, out of my way, golden lizard. Alright, monster tooth, heal after kills. Okay, that's awesome.
Alright, well, do the thing for me.
Whoa, sick. I got the coolest item from the vagrant.
What?
It, like, makes me able to do the attack that he does. And it's awesome.
Now you're getting all the good items.
Yeah, it's my turn now.
I miss being amazing.
Mhm. Don't we all? Bum bum bum. Alright, there's a ton of guys down here. Putting up a sentry.
Yeah, I said there are a ton of guys down there, but you're like, no, I'm going to do this. I'm like, but really, they're but no. Level up. Oh, man. Can't jump.
They're down there.
Alright,
How do
quick,
I-
get to the portal.
How do I get out of this?
Gotta do the chopper! Gotta get to the
Alright.
portal, bruh.
I'll kill the remaining enemy.
Okay, killed 2 guys. Bye.
Yay!
I killed him.
So bad.
Alright, now we can get to the...
Yeah!
What
Alright,
is that thing?
what?
Nobody knows.
I can't tell what you're saying.
Not sure how many of them are dead.
I said, what is that thing?
Oh.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows. Da.
Ooh, that hurt. I'm just gonna wait for you down here.
Okay. Whee! Oh, come on.
Oh, there's an imp.
Whee! Come on.
Imp.
Ooh.
See, isn't that attack sick?
What?
The one I just used.
I wasn't watching.
Okay, fine. You'll see the video.
You can't just show me again.
Well, it's loading. I'll use it in a sec. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, wow. That is...
Yeah, okay, now get these guys. Oh crap! Almost.
I just hear chants in the background.
Yeah.
Oh crap!
This is being too loud, but that's okay.
It's okay.
I hate these green floating gassy poops.
The gassy poops.
Yeah, they're gassy poops now.
Whee!
No. Oh god, I hate these things.
Oh yeah.
Nobody knows.
I have no idea where the portal is. Calling in an airstrike.
Who? You can call in an airstrike?
Sort of. I shoot like a bunch of missiles into the air, and then it's really cool.
You mean the Wandering Vagrant ability?
No, it's another one that the engineer has.
Man, I just got a whole ton of money. I'm going to buy something.
Sweet. I found a drone in the ground that we could buy.
A drone.
Yeah, but it's 167.
I have 76.
I have 76 as well. I really want to buy that.
Can these things just like leave me alone?
We need to screw around with the settings in here, because I think you can make it so that we share all our items.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
I want that.
Yeah. Forgot you could do that. I'm gonna change that next time we play this.
Yeah. Still got these teleporting guys on my tail. They're just like, you want a hug? I'm like, no. Like, too bad. You're getting a hug. Alright, what should I buy?
I don't know.
Thwib. Release a bloom of thibs to detonating on what? Do you get the like the missile thing? Can I is this a one-time use thing?
I think it might be.
I don't like that.
Well, then it recharges and you can use it again.
Oh, well that's not a one-time use thing.
Alright. If it's just like a use item, then yeah, I don't think there are any one-time use things.
Oh yeah, alright. This thing sends out a wall of fire, which is pretty cool, since anything that freaking shoots out a wall of fire. This guy is invincible. I'm lagging.
Sweet. Alright, sweet, it's got a drone.
Dude, I can't defeat this guy, literally.
Who are you trying to defeat?
Just, like, what, these teleporting guys, I'm going to die.
I found the portal.
I'm going to die.
Ancient
Wow,
Wisp.
Oh, actually, if I stay right here, I can just regain my health.
Yeah, stay where you are.
That's what I'm gonna do. Doobie doobie doo bop doobie doobie doo bop doobie bop doo bop Alright, I can use my thing again. Oh god! As soon as I come out of hiding. Oh god! I'm gonna die again! I'm gonna die! Ah!
Did you die?
No.
Oh no, you didn't.
God, this is so hard. We're only on the second stage and everybody's just like, you want a hug?
Oh my god, I love the engineer.
Okay, alright.
I'm just killing tons of guys over here. Not doing too bad.
Oh god!
Hunter, Red, calm down, calm down, calm down, brother. Alright,
I'm still alive.
you're okay.
Turns
You're
out
okay.
the wall of fire is actually, I send out a bunch of, like, exploding jellyfish.
Oh, awesome.
Oh god, there are enemies everywhere.
No, where's the boss, though?
When there's hot bombs around.
I think he's near me.
Mm-hmm.
He is that one.
Okay.
Oh my god, those jellyfish are freaking overpowered. God, I killed that guy in one hit.
Yeah. Dude, there's 49 enemies left.
Yeah, there are a bunch where I am.
Alright, I'll come to you.
Did you know that they're replacing the ghost voice with Nathan Drake once the Taken King comes out?
I found the ancient wisp.
Yeah, I know, I saw its health go down.
I don't know why.
I am slowly going to pick these guys off. Oh god, go down! I can't go down! Oh god, I have my shield in! Get it! Oh, I died!
You died?
Yes, because I have my shield in.
Oh,
God,
no.
I hate the shield. I hate this guy.
Alright, then don't use them next time.
Yeah, and not... like, you're so slow. Yeah, right now you have like a million things, and I
know.
like one thing.
Alright,
You're
come on,
so...
man. Come on. Oh! Ow!
Energy cell. Attack faster at lower health.
And there's 46 enemies left.
Alright, you'll be able to take them down freaking easily.
Yep.
I have $374.
I have 156.
I was going to go and like buy a bunch of things, but I couldn't. You wanna know why?
Why? Because you died?
Yes. And dying is bad for your health.
Actually, it's good for your health, because when you're dead, you don't get sick anymore.
Get the chest. Dude, kill that guy.
Wait, no, I'm getting this thing. Oh, it's a use. Never mind. Wait, what does it do? Unlocks all chests in vision. Oh, that sounds awesome. I wish you were here. But
Yeah.
I just need this. Alright.
Those things are so beat. Only you could revive people in
I
this.
It'd be so much easier. Oh, ow.
I can't see how much health you have.
I have 400.
I had like 50.
Mm.
As like my main thing was like 50 health.
Yeah.
You have so much more health than me.
Oh god, they're coming up.
Well,
Well,
how you been?
I'm good.
You could just go around and like kill these. That'd be great.
Yep.
What is that? Snowflake?
Yep. It's a special snowflake.
That's
That got hit by the
cool.
plow, just like me.
It's a special snowflake. Dude, you're in like a different area from all the enemies.
I know.
Like,
Why are you
what
suddenly
do
so much louder, like, through my speakers? You're so much louder all of a sudden through my speakers.
I don't know why. I'm talking a lot quieter than I have.
Okay, maybe you should just turn my sound down. How come I can't jump up here? Alright,
Oh, there we go.
there we go.
There we go, bitch.
That is A-O good.
Oh, that's where I died. Hey, dude, you can still... When I press space, the remaining enemies thing jumps. Jump, 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 doink, 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 doink. Hey, guess what? Doink.
What? Dude, it just says dead above you.
Ah.
You're dead.
Don't do it. Don't. Just don't.
Okay.
Don't. No.
Oh my god, watch me destroy these guys.
I'm gonna turn on. Oh my god.
You got Galley? And when did you start playing?
This is a long episode.
I know it is.
Tis.
Tease,
But it's
tease.
okay. Actually, I might just cut this into 2 episodes.
I think it'll be fine. This is a long episode. Risk of Rain is going to be like a long thing. Oh my goodness.
Oh, come on.
Yep.
I was
Oh my god. Alright, I'm just gonna start spamming the landmines. Landmine, landmine.
God, you were killing them. Like, oh my god. Oh my
Also, I have a
god.
drone with me.
Wait, dude, do we share money?
No, we don't.
Actually, hold on. I might want to take this just in case.
Oh my god, look at all of them.
Just 'cause it's
Yeah, there's only 5 left.
I'll use it on the big guys. Just gotta...
How many left?
None. Just demolish them.
You're just like, God.
Boom, boom, boom. Dead.
That guy, yeah, I like that guy too. Just watching you, he's like,
Really, all I'm doing is just pressing a ton of buttons.
well, that makes sense. I was trying to strategize.
No, I'm not strategizing at all.
Stupid me.
I was like, okay, I'm just gonna blow them up with this, and then I'm gonna also blow them up with this.
Who strategizes?
I don't know. Hardcore players.
Yeah, weird people. I mean, nobody likes to strategize.
Strategery, who needs it?
Strategery.
Oh.
Got through the chopper.
No, it's the portal. Get to the portal.
Where are you going? You're going to like the.
I'm going up, and then going to the right.
That's so tiring. Couldn't it just be like Broforce and just like blow your way through the wall? Just like.
Yeah. Get to the portal. Wow.
Got through the portal.
Whee!
Okay.
Sunken tombs.
Yeah.
Yay, you're back.
Oh, dude, watch this. Watch my ability. Watch. Right?
Yeah. That is sick.
Yeah, it's like a one-shot kill, like for one of them. So if I was facing a big horde of them, that would take them out.
Yeah.
Just it takes like 40 seconds to get.
Oh
back.
shoot. My thing that I have here only takes like 20 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of overpowered.
How much money do you have?
85. Yeah, nice try.
What?
You were about to pick those up.
I didn't even see that those were there. I thought they
Oh.
were the shells. Of the
Whoa,
guy.
dude, there's a drone right here.
Give it to me.
Well, we can't right now, because we need a bunch of money. It's 437.
What? Oh God. Can this
Vagrant.
thing like not?
You're gonna do the weekly or something?
I want to kill it. So get down really low and then I'll kill it. All right, just let me kill it. Let me kill it.
One sec. Oh my god, Owen is texting me in the middle of this.
I got a teddy bear. Let me get the teddy bear.
Oh god dang it, I accidentally just picked it up.
I hate you.
Dory, Colossus is here. We need to kill Colossus.
I hate you.
Da 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 da. Colossus, Colossus. Sentry turret would have made Attack on Titan a much shorter shot.
Okay, let me kill him.
Oh! Those bombs just did so much damage.
You killed me.
Dude, no, that was Colossus. He exploded with all those bombs.
I hate you right
I'm sorry.
now. The amount that I
That was
hate you right
so
now
sorry.
is so much.
I do not.
You know what? I'm
No.
done. I'm leaving. Bye. You can play by
No, I meant
I'm leaving.
I didn't mean to. Hunter. Hunter, are you still there? Hunter? I'm sorry, I'll deactivate that artifact. I didn't. Oh, and I thought it was bad with me killing you in Broforce. Hunter, please come back.
I'm very disappointed in you right now.
Okay. I'm sorry.
It's just like Broforce.
I know, that's what I was just saying.
All you do is like to kill me.
I know.
Like in Broforce, you'll kill me like 24/7. And then it's like, oh, well maybe if we play this game, then maybe he won't kill me as much.
Nope!
It's It's a day job.
What, your day job is dying? My day
No.
job is killing you?
Yeah, your day job is killing me.
Oh my god, I
One
think I might
minute,
die
you're
here.
done.
Yeah, no,
Ow.
don't worry.
Kill your butt.
Oh my goodness, they're everywhere.
You can take them, oh great Jimmy.
Mm-hmm.
That likes to kill friends. Just wants to kill innocent people that want to be his friends when playing games.
I didn't mean to. Okay?
Yeah, right. You didn't mean to.
It was the bombs, not me.
That's what they all say. That is what all of them say.
They always say it was the bombs. So bombs
Yes.
are always involved.
It was the bombs.
I mean, I'll admit, I'm the one who activated the bombs. I'm the one who, like, got the artifact. But, whatever. It's okay.
I can't believe you.
You'll be back. You'll be back in a sec.
I'm very disappointed in you right now. How
Sorry.
many things do you have to kill?
Alright. Need to
How many
put
things do you have to
sentry
kill?
down.
Get this captain out here.
Oh my
Buy
goodness.
the thing on the ground. What is it? To repair what?
My drone.
Repair it.
Well, I don't have enough money just yet.
Yeah, you do.
No I don't.
Look at your money.
326.
I have 411 and I'm still gaining money.
Wow.
My dead body is...
Not for long.
My dead body is gaining money.
Alright, now I have enough.
I'm so disappointed in you.
I didn't mean to. Level up. Oh, great. Now there's 11 enemies left. Where? Where are they?
Up your butt.
Stupid drag stuck in front of my dimension.
How are you supposed to get to that chest?
You don't.
Is it just there to taunt you?
I think it is.
It's like, hey, try and get me. You can't, can you? Or there's like some secret passageway.
Probably.
Wait, were you underwater that whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
I knew that. Yeah, bruh.
Yeah, bruh.
I knew you were underwaters.
Okay, I think we should, like, go back.
I knew that.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
It's a war banner.
What does it do?
It does stuff. I don't know. It makes me stronger when I'm standing within it. And then whenever, like, I level up, one of those things gets planted, so...
I'm gonna grab 2 sets.
Ugh. Should be, guys, out here. This episode is going a lot longer than I expected it to.
Yeah.
We will die soon. Trust
It doesn't feel like it's been going on long.
me. I know, but it has. It has.
Oh, it does. Did your drone die again? No, it's
No,
still
it's
there.
right. It's right by me. It
Yeah.
stayed with me.
Yeah, you can revive your drone. But you can't revive old me jumping along right here, telling you how many enemies are left. The harder they fall, I say.
Wait, what? What do you mean the harder they fall? It's the bigger they are, the harder they fall. It's not just the harder they fall.
It says, look, the harder they fall.
Oh no, it says you are dead on my screen.
Oh, on my screen it says the harder they fall.
Okay,
I'm like,
that's weird.
what?
Oh, jeez, that's taking his health down a lot, dude.
You
Oh,
did
yeah.
it! Now it just says the harder they fall.
Mystifying.
Yay! Alright, wait, I need to go
Wow.
get this chest over here.
What?
I'm opening a chest. I got a purse.
Enemies drop extra gold. God, you have so many, like, stuffs.
I know.
I only have glasses on.
That's
That's what
it?
I have. I have glasses.
That's all you have?
Yeah, that's my one item is
Wow.
glasses. But I also have that really cool, like, jellyfish exploding thing.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
Alright,
Alright.
just get to the teleporter so, you know. So I can be, like, good again, and then you're going to just go ahead and kill me again. 'Cause,
Probably.
you know that you want to know, that's how it works.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come on.
Mm-hmm, girl. The Hive Cluster. Alright,
It's
we
the
ready, bro?
Hive from Teen Titan Go.
No.
Best show in the world.
Oh, no. Alright, you gotta be careful when you're jumping on these
Oh no.
thingies.
God, they're big, chunky poops over there.
Oh, I fell again.
Big, chunky red poops.
And again.
There you love big, red, chunky poops. There's a pterodactyl. 3 pterodactyls. Oh God, they are destroying me.
Come with me.
Yeah, I'm kind of busy, like dying, so yeah. Since I don't have any like friends to help me.
No, I'm here. I'm here, bro.
Where?
I'm down underground.
Yeah, underground.
Yeah, I need you.
I died.
You died?
That's because I have no items. Because you kept picking them up before I could.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, I'm done. Bye.
No,
And
don't
then-
leave. Don't
Nope,
leave me.
Nope. I'm going.
How is that my fault?
I'm going.
You know, you could have just picked up the items if you wanted to.
No.
Okay.
No.
Are you gonna stay here?
Do you see my face right now?
No, I don't actually.
Well, too bad.
Red?
Do you see Banana Man hopping over on the white hot sand? Here he come with some for me, freshly